Hello and welcome to the Test Modeler 101 series. In this episode, we're going to look at introducing the Quickstart tutorials that we have available. In Test Modeler, we have a series of Quickstart frameworks that allow you to get started very easily automating a number of different platforms. These include things like web, API, mobile applications, Dynamics 365, and mainframe applications as well. Now, the first available tutorial is the Quickstart Web Automation. This is the basic version, which kind of runs you through the basics of Test Modeler and how to build and run your first tests using Java Selenium. We'll then move on to a more advanced version of that tutorial, where we can apply some of that existing knowledge and build much more complex scenarios and run those tests as well. Now, also available, we have a Quickstart API framework. This uses a Java with REST assured automation framework and will basically allow you to construct complex sets of data and push those data into different APIs. We also have a mobile automation tutorial. This uses an Appium library, and you can connect your target app using Source Labs or another device farm. Now, similarly to web automation, D365 is obviously a web-based application. And in this scenario, we use a C# Selenium framework. And you can use the web scanner and the Microsoft-owned Easy Repro Action Pack to build out models and create processes. Lastly on this list, we have the Quickstart Mainframe Automation. This again will allow you to apply the basics of Test Modeler to 3270 mainframe testing. The technology that drives this is Java with Jagged Jar, and we have a predefined action pack that helps you build out models of your system. Now, to get started with any of these tutorials, you can come in and sign up for a free 2-week testmodeler.io trial today. You'll be able to find all of those links to the tutorials in the description below. Thanks very much for watching.